Hey, it's Bill, the appliance guy. So today we're looking at a Whirlpool. It's going to be the H2Low wash system with an Eco Boost. And so basically what we do is hear kind of a funny noise when it spins. And so if you look at the bottom, it sounds like a grinding noise almost. So if we look at the bottom, what we'll see is this worn spot right here. And then we'll see that there's no nut holding this spline on. You can see some pieces of cut up plastic. Basically this pulley here has dropped down and may have lost a few threads on the spline, but all we'll have to do is put another nut on this and we'll have a good washer. So yeah, that's your washing machine tip for today. Thanks for watching. Yeah, we see the plastic debris particles here. Probably a combination of worn off from the cover here and possibly the splines from the inner shaft. And what I'll probably do is glue the pulley onto the shaft and then put a nut over that as well, just to make sure everything's nice and tight. So thanks for watching. And so what this thing would do, would make sort of a grinding noise, and then the barrel would not spin. So that's your Whirlpool tip for today. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, you can contact me at applianceworks@yahoo.com. And then I also have a How to Make Money in the Appliance Repair Business course, which includes a year of coaching and a link to over 100 repair videos. And if you're interested in that, contact me at applianceworks@yahoo.com. It's only $49.95, and just send $49.95 to Bill's Enterprises, P.O. Box 7021, Eureka, California 95502. Thank you.